If GameLoop is causing problems or you simply don't need it anymore, uninstalling it properly is important. Here's the easiest and safest way to remove it completely. First, close GameLoop fully. Right-click the GameLoop icon in the system tray and choose Exit. Make sure no GameLoop processes are running in Task Manager. Next, open Control Panel on your PC. Go to Programs, Programs and Features. Find GameLoop in the list, click on it, then select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen steps and wait for the uninstall to finish. After that, restart your PC. This stops background services that GameLoop installs. Once your PC is back on, open File Explorer and check for leftovers. C. Program Files GTX Game Assistant. C. R Program Files x86C ZTX Game Assistant. If any of these folders still exist, delete them manually. Finally, press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and delete temporary files related to GameLoop. That's it. GameLoop is now completely removed, with no background services or leftover files.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.